Hey, great job downloading the one-page funding tool cheat sheet. Check your inbox in a few minutes. We're gonna send that right over to you, so be on the lookout for it. But before you go, I want you to watch this video right here so I can show you the exact strategy how entrepreneurs just like you is using this proven system to funding avenues for sustainable business growth, improving their business knowledge without worrying about if I can use my personal credit for my business, or stressing over whether if they qualify for funding, or thinking their credit score is too low and they won't even get approved. If you've been struggling to secure business funding, this right here will make it simple and straightforward for you. Now, just so we know that you're in the right place, this is the same exact system we use to help fire alarm technicians start their own fire alarm business, IT and security professionals looking to get into the fire alarm industry, and aspiring entrepreneurs that's looking to start their first fire alarm company. And with this system, they've been able to improve their credit, qualify for funding, and secure the capital they need to grow their business without confusion or any wasted effort. And this isn't just theory, this is the same exact strategy I use to boost my credit. So let's jump straight into it. If you're like most entrepreneurs, you probably ran into one of these challenges when it comes to securing financing for your business. Unclear on your credit usage, not knowing if you can use your personal credit to fund your business, confused about eligibility, not knowing if you qualify or not, and you have concerns about your credit score. You worry that your credit score is way too low. I hear these same struggles every single day, but this is only just a small problem of a bigger situation. There's a lack of a clear, simple, step-by-step system that shows you exactly how you can repair your credit, identify the right funding sources, and secure business capital with confidence. That's exactly why we created the funding tool, to give you a clear, proven roadmap to show you how you can secure business funding quickly and efficiently. So here's how it works. Step 1, we show you how you can improve and build business credit. Step 2, we show you the types of financing you qualify for. And step 3, we show you how to obtain loans and business lines of credit. With this system, our clients eliminated all confusion, they raised their credit, and they was able to fund their business. And this is just step 9 of our flagship program, the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint, a complete system designed to take you from aspiring entrepreneur to a fully funded fire alarm business in the fire alarm industry. Here's the roadmap. Stage 1, that is the foundation building. There we have the structure selector. We show you how you can form your business. Step 2 is the license navigator. We show you how you can get your fire alarm license. And step 3 is the insurance strategist. We show you how you can properly protect your fire alarm business. And the second stage is the growth strategies. There we have the market monster. We show you how you can position your fire alarm business in the fire alarm market. The next step is the vendor guide. We show you how you can secure up to $100,000 in vendor credit. And the last step is the certification accelerator. We show you how you can get yourself minority certified. And the final stage, that's our expansion opportunities. There we have the contract navigator. We show you how you will write proposals and win your first government contract. Next is the brand architect. We show you how you can build a personal and business brand online through social media. And finally, the funding tool. We show you how you can inject cash to grow your fire alarm business. This is the clearest, most proven system for any entrepreneur serious about funding and growing their business. If you want to get crystal clear on the next steps you should be taking right now, then book a free strategy session with me today. In just 30 minutes, we'll identify what's holding you back, map out a step-by-step strategy that you can implement within 90 days, and see if you're a good fit for the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. But this is only for serious entrepreneurs, the ones that's driven to grow and succeed, open to learning and applying proven strategies, and committed to building a well-funded, profitable fire alarm business. If this sounds like you, click the link below and schedule your free strategy session today. We look forward to helping you get funded.